Hi there. In this video I will show you how to secure your BlueZone web server. This means you'll be able to access it through the web browser on a secure connection. First off, make sure you have a certificate in either PFX format or CER format. If you open up the directory structure for BlueZone Web, you will find a series of folders. Within the config directory and server, I have put my certificate here. Your certificate can also exist in other locations, but I thought it would be a good place to put in the config directory. In the build directory, there is a deploy program called bzw deploy.bat. You need to execute this as administrator. For the purpose of what I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this via the command line. So I've navigated to the directory and I'm going to run the command. I don't want to reset my settings because obviously I've already done some configuration for the user access, so I'm going to say no. I don't want HTTP. Yes, please for HTTPS. I'm going to choose the port number that's open on my firewall. I'm going to use a PFX format. I'm now going to add the path to my certificate as shown in the File Explorer earlier. I now need to put the passphrase in. If you don't have a passphrase, then you don't need to add it. This will be encrypted within the BlueZone web server. Obviously, if you get the passphrase incorrect, you will need to key it in again. Once you've put the correct passphrase in, then you are ready to restart the server. Start the server in the same manner as before. Navigate to the bin directory and then click on the No server to start. If all is well with the certificate and the config, you will get a status line to show that the server has started. If you open up the URL as a HTTPS connection, then your BlueZone web server session will start. As you can see, the padlock is showing that the connection is secure and that the connection will be secured using the certificate.